Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TeslaAI token. Now the TeslaAI token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 14th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the TeslaAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed tomorrow. This is a meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. It's being listed tomorrow, December 14th, 15 hours UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get the TeslaAI token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TeslaAI, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, TeslaAI, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. There is a lot of tokens here, so that's, let's see, a million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. That is 4 quintillion 200 quadrillion TeslaAI tokens. That is a lot of tokens. Like I said, it's a BNB token, BEP20 on the Binance Smart Chain. 9 decimal places on this token. They have 1,311 holders so far. So most likely these people got it prior on PancakeSwap. Yeah, so PancakeSwap, it says. So you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the TeslaAI token using the contract that you can find on their official webpage, TeslaAI2023.site. Now it says you'll have to set your slippage around 4% because there is 4% taxes, maybe even 5%. Just start low, obviously work your way up. You can find their BSC scan on their webpage as well, which has the contract address on it. And they even have a link to PancakeSwap. It says buy it. You can click on that. Now there's going to be no slippage. There's going to be minimal fees on MEXC Global as opposed to Uniswap and PancakeSwap, where you have to set slippage and all that stuff, and Uniswap's gas fees, and that's why I prefer MEXC Global. But that's not financial advice. You're welcome to do whatever you like. Now it says TeslaAI spark the future meme the momentum. What is TeslaAI? Well, it says it's powering crypto creativity, empowering innovation, fueling memes. TeslaAI, where creativity meets futuristic brilliance, redefining crypto one meme at a time. TeslaAI is a crypto token that embodies Elon Musk's AI vision, blending blockchain technology with meme culture to create an innovative and engaging community-driven ecosystem in the crypto space. So, if you didn't understand exactly what I said, how to get this token off of PancakeSwap, they do have a getting started guide about opening PancakeSwap, connect your wallet, all that type of stuff. They show you how to do that on their webpage. It says a slippage tolerance has to be 5% or above, so it's pretty high slippage, but they give you step-by-step on their webpage if you want to do that prior to the MEXC Global listing. It says, do only good every day. TeslaAI is a guiding principle ingrained in the core values It's more than just a slogan. It's a commitment to fostering a positive impact in the crypto community and beyond. We aim to promote ethical behavior, support charitable causes, and encourage initiatives that uplift others, aligning with our vision of contributing positively to the world through our allocations and endeavors. This principle resonates within our community, inspiring us to prioritize benevolence, kindness, and positive change in all that we do. Now, they have lots of partners and links on their webpage. So they have a Telegram, Twitter, Medium, GitHub, Reddit, YouTube, CoinMarketCap, PooCoin, PancakeSwap, DexTools, DexView, DexScreener, and Aave.ai, links and partnerships. So it says, the foundation, learn more about TeslaAI Foundation and its trail map. Blog, stay up to date with new developments, announcements. You can stay up to date with new announcements. And there's also frequently asked questions like, how do I get TeslaAI coins? What is the roadmap? Now it says the long-term vision is to fund groundbreaking space missions and technologies that change humanity's future through widespread crypto adoption. The team publishes updated roadmaps with transparency. Now, I don't believe they have one yet, but maybe they will in the future here. Maybe it's on their Medium articles or somewhere else, but it's not on their webpage. It says, is there burning? It says it does not need to burn marketing mechanisms that new tokens and others chains have attempted to implement to inflate their prices. It is simple, so they're not doing burning or any of that type of stuff. It doesn't even really tell you what the taxes are for, which is kind of strange. Now, they do have a DexTools chart that you could check out on their webpage. It says their 24-hour trading volume is $67,200. Total market cap right now, $2.69 million. They have $86,480 in locked liquidity on PancakeSwap, according to DexTools. And they do have some audits on DexTools that you could check out. Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, Go Plus Security. They say there is 4% taxes, no honeypot, contract is verified, yes. All good check marks, except there is one warning, it says on here, one alert. If you scroll all the way down, Quick Intel Security, it just says there is other risks. So it doesn't specify. But, the thing with any token, especially especially any token, always do your own research. Make sure the security is good on this token. Now, just open up their Medium articles. It looks like they have one Medium article so far that's a 2-minute read. You could check that out. Now, on their socials, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. And that is at Tesla_AI_TA. Has the contract address on there. Over 6,000 Twitter followers, 68 posts, a link to their Telegram, a link to their webpage, and their Telegram's doing amazing. Over 21,000 Telegram members. So go check this token out. It's getting a brand new central exchange listing on MEXC Global starting tomorrow. If you don't have an account, check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one where this token's being listed. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.